case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2002 case of Alexander v. Medical Associates Clinic, the Iowa Supreme Court decided to uphold traditional common laws regarding property owners' duty to trespassers. The issue at stake was whether landowners have a requirement to make their property safe for unauthorized visitors, or only a duty to avoid willingly inflicting harm. The case unfolded when Monty Alexander, in an attempt to retrieve his sister's dog, trespassed on the Medical Associates Clinic's property and injured his knee in a fall. Alexander brought a lawsuit against the clinic, accusing them of negligence. The district court, however, sided with the clinic. They stated that as Alexander was a trespasser, the clinic had no obligation to ensure his safety on their property. Unconvinced by this ruling, Alexander appealed, advocating for the replacement of Iowa's common law rule with a duty of reasonable care on the part of property owners towards all individuals on their land, regardless of their status. However, the court decided to hold firm in their application of the traditional common law rules, affirming the district court's decision. Consequently, the Medical Associates Clinic was absolved of responsibility for Alexander's injuries because he was trespassing on their property. The court firmly stated that the district court had properly applied legal principles when giving judgment to the clinic. It declined to reconsider the common law rule as per Alexander's request, and did not weigh in on the differentiation between invitees and licensees within the scope of this case. The court's decision served as a potent affirmation of landowners' rights when it comes to trespasser liability.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.